Hi guys, and yes, we are at the Lucky Cars today, and just look at the vehicles parked here. Look at the board, the only one in Lucky Cars in Kolattur. And now what are we waiting for? Let's get going with the cars. So this is the 2018 Toyota Crystar. Look at the outer body. There is no single scratch, no dents, absolutely clean. No traces of 80,000 kilometers clocked in this vehicle. As it is written, it is the 2.4 Z variant, top of the line variant. Very good paint finish. As we see, there is no touch-up paint at all in this vehicle. Very genuine paint condition too, as the motor is also genuine. As we go through the interiors, lovely wood finish, touch infotainment system, leather seats. At the rear, we have a 7-seater. We have captain seats. We have this, feels so premium. Let me get inside. This is how the interior looks. We have rear AC vents. This is the third row seats. And this is that ambient light feature which I told you, which only comes in the Z variant. This is the boot capacity of the vehicle. We also see all 4 tires are brand new Continental tires. And also electrical adjustable for the Z variant. So guys, this is the Toyota Innova Crystar 2018 model at the Lucky Cars. So this vehicle is clocked 80,000 kilometers, and look at its pickup. It has a very good pickup. It doesn't feel as it is clocked 80,000. The vehicle feels good. No big vibrations or any other thing. Vehicle feels nice. At the interiors also we see it hasn't worn out. The vehicle has been maintained in a very good condition, as we see in the video itself. As we check the suspension is also good. We don't feel any other problems in the suspension. Again, I have given the gas and look at the pickup. The pickup is good. Gearbox is good. No other problems in the gearbox also. Let's again check the suspension. The suspension is good. No noises in the suspensions too. This is a first owner vehicle, a fully company maintained vehicle too. And let me show you the exterior also. The vehicle looks beautiful. No scratches, no dents, nothing. The vehicle, as I had already said, is maintained in a very good condition. So again, onto the gas. Superb pickup in the vehicle. Vehicle feels genuine. Look at the wooden touches, as this is a Z model variant, to be noted, the top of the line variant. The price which our Lucky Cars have quoted is 20 lakhs, slightly negotiable. I think so it's a fairly good price for this vehicle. It has been maintained well. Just 2 years old vehicle in a very good condition. See, look here, I am taking the vehicle in a few bumps. Apart from the road, I am taking it in the bumps to check the suspension. It feels good. No issues with the suspension. As for the Z variant speciality, you have cruise control function in this vehicle. All one-touch power windows for all the 4 windows, and also you can move the passenger seat from the rear itself. And we also have some good touches, as you see here. We have eco mode, power mode, and also ambient lighting in this vehicle. So you really feel, right, it is worth rupees 20 lakhs. So right away come to Lucky Cars and check out this beauty. This is the Ford EcoSport 2014 model, the titanium variant, which gets the alloy wheels as standard. Vehicle feels good. Just a little bit minor scratches in the vehicle. Other than that, the vehicle is in good condition. Just clocked 80,000 kilometers. This is a second owner vehicle. Coming to the interior part, titanium gets climate control, the system, steering mounted features, a very nice premium seat cover, glove compartment, gets dual airbags as the titanium variant. The rear seats are in a very reclined manner, so you can sit in a very comfortable way. Also get the 60-40 split by pulling this rope. You can split it in 60 and 40. The boot is quite large and spacious, as you see there. The tire condition, both the front tires are in a very good condition. The rear tires are a little bit worn out but can be used. The stepney is also a little bit worn out. The other rear tire, other front tire. Let's check the audio system. It has 4 speakers and 2 tweeters. So this is the 2014 model Ford EcoSport. The pickup is good, not bad, but not the best, but it has pickup. So this vehicle is clocked 98,000 kilometers, a second owner 2014 model, titanium variant. This is the silver color. The AC chillness and all feels good, has a good cooling capacity. The clutch is a little bit on the harder side, brakes a little bit stiff, and talking about the suspension is quite soft and nice, no problem with the suspension. The pickup I feel is a little bit less, but it has a pickup. So this is the titanium variant. So just because it's the titanium variant, we have steering mounted features like the volume rockers and also the next track buttons, and you also get climate control, and also you get the infotainment display right over here. Just now check the suspension. Suspension is quite soft, pickup is good. There is no turbo lag or anything. Pickup is now good. After a few kilometer drive, the pickup is now feeling good. Maybe the engine would have been cold when I had driven. Suspension is good, very soft. See, EcoSport suspension is known for a very soft suspension, and its air conditioning is also a very chill cooling one. So the price quoted for this vehicle is 5,75,000 negotiable. The final offer, the best deal, would be rupees 5,30,000, and also if you see my video and claim for the vehicle, you will get a little bit of a discount. Hyundai Verna Fluidic SXO variant. It is a 2012 model. You see custom alloy wheels in a bigger size. The tires are a little bit worn out. This is a matte black paint finish. Get custom tail lamps, custom lights, a custom diffuser kind of setup, reverse parking camera with assist. Chrome door handles as the SXO variant. Projector setup, a custom headlamp with DRL, white fog lamps. This is how it lights up when you brake it. We get an extra spoiler, shark fin antenna, and a carbon fiber finish rooftop. Quite a lot of mods in this vehicle for just rupees 5.7 lakhs negotiable. Massive entry in both the front doors. Into the vehicle you get wood trims, and here instead of wood trims they have given the carbon fiber like finish for a sporty look. A 6-speed manual transmission, climate control. Also in the rear you get this carbon fiber like trim. 3 headrests in the rear, the armrest like this. So the original seat covers, not at all worn out, feels very good, new. Also get a storage part in this armrest like this. The boot space of the vehicle, quite a large boot in there, a very spacious boot. Time to hear the vehicle when it actually turns on. is the 2012 model Vana Fluidic SXO, and just look at its power. And look at the whistle sound. That's a custom made whistle sound for this vehicle in the muffler. This vehicle does not feel like a diesel engine, it feels like a 1.6 petrol. So powerful. The vehicle does not feel as if it's clocked 80,000. A very good motor, 6-speed manual transmission. The vehicle is simply awesome for teenagers. Let me show you the exterior after I drive. So sporty with matte black finish. So basically this is the SXO variant. It comes with 6 airbags, wooden finishes and all. It also gets alloy wheels, but in this vehicle they have given custom alloys in a bigger size, which looks very sporty and beautiful in this vehicle. This Vana has clocked 73,000 kilometers, a single owner maintained vehicle. It has been maintained in a good way. Few modifications like the muffler, a whistle sound from the engine. The SXO variant gets auto dimming mirror inside. It gets steering mounted features like this, the volume rockers, the contact button, and just look at the sound again. Superb, right? Sound feels good. Check the suspension. The suspension is soft, but just because the tires are big and it's a low profile tire for sporty reason, it feels a little bit hard. But other than that, the suspension is good. So are you able to hear the whistle sound? That's why I'm driving for such a long time. Just hear it. Superb, right? It feels like I'm driving an American muscle. The way they have tuned it to get that whistle sound is simply awesome. So this vehicle comes at a price of rupees 5.7 lakhs, negotiable. And if you also watch this video and claim that you have watched the video and come to this place, you would surely get a certain amount of discount. So guys, the last round, I'm going to give it the beans for this vehicle. Able to hear the sound? Awesome, right? Simply awesome. Man, I think so. I can take this vehicle for 5.7 lakhs. This Vana is just up to its mark. This is the 2012 model Vana Fluidic SXO variant. You get these alloy wheels. The tires are also in a good condition. You get chrome door handles, request sensor over here. The paint finish is also in a good condition. No major scratches, just a very few ones. Reverse parking assist. This is the 1.6 liter diesel automatic variant. Get 6 airbags. This vehicle is a second owner and has clocked 84,000 kilometers. SXO variant, so wood finishes. When here wood finishes, you have steering mounted features. Nice upholstery, the automatic transmission. Center armrest, the storage space. This is the boot of the vehicle. Let me show you the stepney too. You get a full size alloy wheel as the spare tire. The Vana Fluidic 2012 model SXO diesel automatic for the power test. Powerful as the manual. Also similar to the petrol engine, very powerful motor. Gear shifts are so sleek, there is no lag between the gear shifts. A very nice vehicle to drive, the Vana diesel automatic. Very nice motor in here. Steering feels nice and light. Suspension is good, but a little bit of a sound when you go on hard bumps like these. So now we are in the Tiptronic manual function. First gear has a good power. Again, let me push it up. The gears doesn't change unless I change. It's quite good. The Tiptronic function gives an additional power feel. So again, let's give the beans for the diesel automatic. Quite powerful. Not quite powerful, very powerful. The horn is a little bit funny. You can change the horn if you want. Very powerful. When you shift, the vehicle gears are really quick. It shifts so fast. When I give the acceleration, immediately it shifts to the lower gear and gives you the response. Just look here. See? The response is quite quick in this vehicle. The brakes are okay. 85% it's good. A little bit of 15% it's quite on the softer side. The brakes are a little soft. And moreover, it is the SXO variant, a diesel Verna fluidic automatic for 4,75,000. It's a really good bargain for this vehicle. And also the price is slightly negotiable, so don't miss out the Verna diesel automatic silver color.